Tell me about the gun you want.
I bought a giant gun.
Giant gun.
Yes, I have.
Are you going to get the Easter Bunny with that gun?
No.
No.
I have.
Make the noise.
No.
What does it sound like?
That's it.
It goes chick chick.
Yes.
Yes.
What color is it?
Yes, green and white.
Okay. Who's gonna give it to you?
And Easter Bunny come and get the gun.
Easter Bunny's coming,
Yes, Easter Bunny coming get a
and
gun.
he's gonna give you a big gun
Yes.
that's green and white.
Yes.
What about the bullets?
No.
No bullets?
No. Easter Bunny have bullets. Easter Bunny.
You know why?
The bullets are gone.
He ate them all.
Yes, he eat it. He eat them.
What are you going to do when he eats the gun?
It don't eat a gun. The half stop eats a gun.
Is he gonna give you candy too?
No.
Just a gun?
No.
Well, what's he gonna give you besides the gun?
The bunny have a hand shotgun. And I go, Easter Bunny, you have like this. And
What?
he's trying to get me a gun.
Okay. My son is so cute. I know it's biased, but it's true. Easter Bunny is gonna get my son a gun.
This way. This way.